Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. Today I'm gonna share a very interesting story, which is also the creepiest story of my life while I do my cosplay makeup. So let's get this video started. It was just another normal day. I was using my Instagram and then I saw like a random follower, like somebody followed me, and I don't want to take the name for my safety concern, but let's call this guy Mr. X. So Mr. X followed me and then he started texting me, okay, I really like your cosplay and blah blah. It was like pretty normal. So I replied, okay, thank you so much and all. And then he asked for my number and I said no, because I really don't share my numbers with strangers. And I think it was pretty normal, like obviously you should not share your contact number with strangers. I think he got a little offended and then he started spamming my inbox, like वो भाई मैसेज पे मैसेज करे जा रहा है and I was avoiding. I really, like, I don't know why I didn't block him sooner, but yeah, he was spamming the whole time. And then randomly भाई रात के 1-2 बजे he started calling, and that was the time I was like, okay, it's too much. तो मैंने उसको बोला, you should not make somebody this much uncomfortable even if you like appreciate them or like them so much. और फिर मैंने ये बोल के उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया. ख़त्म. End of story. किस्सा ख़त्म, right? But no, it was not. Because सुबह जब मैं उठी, I saw like another follower with the same name, same DP, and I was like, what? So the next day, that account, उससे भी कोई एक और DM आया. I got another text from that same guy with the same account. He created a fake account because I blocked the first one. And then he started texting me again, why did you block my account? I just wanted to be your friend. If you don't give me your number, how will you become friends? And I'm like, that's not how you become friends, my dear. It was weird. And so I blocked that account as well. And within 5 minutes, he created another account. And I was like, okay, now it's getting creepier. I blocked that account as well without giving him another chance to talk anything. So I was like, चलो ठीक है, block कर दिया. And that happened 40 times. He created 40 different accounts again and again and again and again. I kept on blocking him by. उसके बाद एक टाइम के बाद मेरा हो गया था कि what is happening. And I think back then we did not have this feature जो Instagram ने उसके बाद launch किया था कि block new accounts by the same person, something like that. When you block somebody, I think you get that option. So we did not have that option back then. So I reported it to Instagram with multiple like screenshots of this thing, and after that I did not get any response. I was like, okay, matter solved, he's gone, bye bye. But apparently it was not. So after a few days I had an event to attend. इस पे मुझे ये वाला cosplay करना था, as I said, and I was getting ready and then I attended the event. It was pretty normal, like I was enjoying with my friends and chilling there. It was a good tea going on. हम सब ऐसे मस्ती मजाक कर रहे थे. Then I saw a random guy who came to me. He was like tall, थोड़ा सा लंबा था, and he was wearing a black mask. वो ना मेरे पीछे ऐसे खड़ा हो गया, and I was like, okay. I didn't say anything. Then he came closer, and then he whispered, "Hi. Do you remember me?" एंड मेरे को थोड़ा सा वियर्ड लगा कि ब्रो, एक तो तुमने मास्क पहन रखा है, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू रिमेंबर यू. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा, मतलब आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट आई गॉट अ लिटिल नर्वस. एंड देन मैंने उसको बोला कि हे नो, बिकॉज आई कांट सी योर फेस, आई एम नॉट श्योर. तो उसने बोला या ऑफ कोर्स. देन ही वाज गॉन, लाइक वो चला गया, ही वॉकड अवे. उसके बाद मैंने उतना ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं इस बारे में. आई वाज लाइक, हाँ ठीक है, इट वाज नॉर्मल एंड एवरीथिंग. देन हम लोग ऐसे एक ग्रुप फोटो ले रहे थे. वहाँ पे दिस गाय वॉज स्टैंडिंग जस्ट behind me. Before I continue the story, I need to put my liner on, so I'm just gonna put and then come back. Okay, so my liner is on. I'm gonna continue the story. So हम लोग ऐसे ना ग्रुप फोटो ले गए थे, and ये बंदा फिर से मेरे पीछे खड़ा हो गया, and then we were taking photo everyone. He didn't still like उसका मास्क नहीं निकाला था. Again he came to me and then he was whispering कि you know what, you shouldn't have blocked me so many times. I was heartbroken. I'm like, the fuck? It's the same dude. भाई मेरे हाथ पैर ठंडे हुए थे उस टाइम पे. I was like in shock. Okay, this is the same guy. This is the same dude I have blocked. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? But मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि oh my god, this is the same guy who was being creepy in my DM and now he's just literally standing behind me. What should I do? I panicked. I freaked out. But वो दिख नहीं रहा था मेरे चेहरे पे, and I was like standing there like a statue. I was not doing anything. And then my friends were like, क्या हो गया? And I was not replying. तो उसके बाद आई वॉज आस्किंग माई फ्रेंड्स कि भाई घर चलते हैं, आई थिंक इट्स ऑलरेडी टू लेट, मुझे जाना भी होगा। एंड आई यूज्ड टू से वेरी फार फ्रॉम दैट इवेंट प्लेस। सो मैं सबको ना पूछ रही थी कि प्लीज़ चल लो, बिकॉज मुझे अकेले नहीं जाना था। आई वॉज अ लिटिल स्केर्ड कि वॉट इफ़ ही फॉलोज मी, बट नो बडी वॉज अग्रीइंग टू गो आउट फ्रॉम द इवेंट। बट मेरी थोड़ी सी फट गई थी, तो मैंने बोला कि भाई ठीक है, आई एम लिविंग। तो मैंने सबको बाई बोला, आई बुकड अ कैब, एंड देन मैंने आसपास देखा कि वो बंदा तो नहीं है आसपास, तो आई अवॉइडेड आई कॉन्टैक्ट्स एंड मैं बस भाग गई वहाँ से। एंड आई गॉट माई कैब, और फिर आई वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है, अब कैब मिल गया, नाउ आई एम डन, नाउ आई एम सेफ। अपेरेंटली आई वाज नॉट, बिकॉज देन मैंने ना ऐसे जस्ट टू बी सेफ मैंने पीछे मुड़ के देखा कि वो बंदा आ तो नहीं रहा है। गेस व्हाट, आई सॉ हिम गेटिंग इनटू अनदर कैब एंड ही वाज जस्ट बिहाइंड मी, फॉलोइंग मी। मेरी कैब स्टैंडिंग ऐसे मतलब खड़ी थी, उसकी भी, ही वॉज नॉट मूविंग। मैंने अपने ड्राइवर भैया को बोला, भैया आप भगाओ एंड चेंज द रूट। तो फिर मैंने कैब में लोकेशन चेंज किया, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वांट टू गो टू माई होम, इट वुडंट बी सेफ ऑब्वियसली। सो मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूँ। देन आई रिमेंबर, ओके, आई हैव अ फ्रेंड हु लिव्स नियर जादवपुर एरिया, एंड जादवपुर वाज लाइक इट्स अ प्लेस इन कोलकाता। सो मैंने उस फ्रेंड को कॉल किया और मैंने उसको बताया कि ब्रो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया, कैन आई स्टे एट योर प्लेस। तो उसने बोला यार श्योर चले। देन मैंने क्या भैया को बोला कि अब चलो भगाओ अब। एंड देन आई केप्ट ऑन चेकिंग कि वो बंदा आ तो नहीं रहा है, वो बंदा आ तो नहीं, एंड ही वॉज फॉलोइंग मी लाइक ब्रो व्हाट द फक। It still gives me chills when I talk about this because मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था। मैंने कैब वाले भैया को ऐसे बोला कि भैया थोड़ा जल्दी, एंड देन आई रीच माई डेस्टिनेशन जो मेरे फ्रेंड के घर था। हाउ डू इवन टॉक व्हाइल पुटिंग लिपस्टिक? सो आई थिंक माई मेकअप इज एक्चुअली डन. Now I'm gonna put the wig on. Before putting the wig on, I'm using my wig cap. Okay, so my wig is on. Now continuing the story. So after that, I reached my friend's place and मैं बहुत जल्दी मैंने कैब भैया को पे किया, and then I like ran to his home. मतलब ऐसे ही भाग के अंदर गई हूँ ना, and then I locked the main gate. I locked घर का जो गेट होता है वो, and मैं 1 घंटे तक ना बस बैठी रही in the common area, and my friend was asking ki what happened, are you okay? I'm like yeah, I'm fine. I didn't want to disturb my friend saying all of this, like क्योंकि रात के 11 बज रहे थे, so anybody would get worried कि ऐसे कुछ हुआ है. So मैं बस बैठी थी वहाँ पे, and even though everything was closed and locked, I was still so scared. मुझे बस ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई वो बंदा अंदर ना आ जाए, कैसे भी नहीं आ सकता था. But there was like a lot of questions that was in my head कि what's gonna happen, what if सुबह मैं उठती हूँ बाहर जाती हूँ and I see that guy, how can I avoid him, what should I do? There are a lot of things going on in my head, but fortunately the next day I woke up, I went outside and I saw the guy is not there, so मेरे को थोड़ा सा ऐसे relief हुआ, and then I went home. I still don't know कि उस बंदे ने फिर क्या किया, कहाँ गया, कौन था वो बंदा, because I couldn't see his face. But yeah, this is one of the creepiest incident and it still scares me. What if I get a stalker like that again? So yeah, the only reason I wanted to share this is I know a lot of cosplayers and even like a lot of girls face this problem a lot in their real life. So yeah, I wanted to share my experience, and also this is a story actually I never told anyone before. So yeah, I feel better after actually sharing this story. I also wanted to say to all my cosplay girlies, please be safe in events, carry all the precautions you can, like paper spray or whatever. If you have to punch somebody if they are stalking you, do that. So thank you for watching, and stay safe, take care, bye bye, until next time.